Governor says Manipur will soon have flying doctors. Aviation Ministry to provide Rs 25 crore to buy helicopter. Education Minister Radhesham says the ministry approved only for 5 colleges for Dhanamandjari University Bill 2017. Minister Shyam Kumar warns a stern action will be taken against those involved in misuse of IMC funds. Free computer training under Pradhan Mantri Government Digital Sakshata Abhiyan kicked off at CSE Tronglauwi, Awang. And Manipur joins the world in remembering the Hiroshima Day today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari, bringing you the top stories. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah today assured that Manipur will soon have flying doctors. She said the Aviation Ministry has agreed to provide 25 crore rupees to buy a helicopter for the purpose. The governor was speaking at an event of Japanese Hospital Manipur held at Janib's Conference Hall today. She maintained that healthcare was a major concern when she took over as the governor of the state. Dr. Heptullah said, due to geographical factors, many people in the remote areas have no access to good health care. The governor said she had notified both the state government and the centre regarding the matter. Even in the recently held North-East Council meeting, attention of the aviation minister and ministry concerned were drawn to the need for a helicopter service. She said the Aviation Ministry has agreed to sanction funds for helicopter and facilities for flying doctors. Dr. Heptullah said Japan and India have a cordial relationship since a long time. Presence of Japanese hospital in the state will benefit people in terms of health care. JNIM's director Dr. T.H. Bhimo, representatives of Japanese Hospital Manipur and several doctors attended the function.
I was talking to the Minister of Civil Aviation and he told me they allocated 25 crores to get the helicopter service, and very soon we will be having a flying doctor with the necessary equipment to go from district to district, from village to village in the hill area to take care of the health of the people who live in the far-flung areas.
Education Minister T.H. Radhesham has reiterated that the Dhanamandjari University Bill 2017 was passed under Rashtriya Sucharta Shiksha Abhiyan RUSA. It will be a cluster university, and out of the 7 colleges negotiated by the state government, 5 have been approved and DM College of Teachers Education was not on the approved list. He said the once a university established, the college can be aided. He was speaking at the 8th Meritorious Award 2017 organized by Hangang United Clubs Organization at Hangang Makhalaikai Community Hall today. The minister also mentioned that the bill has to be passed at the earliest under the RUSA guidelines. According to RUSA guidelines, a university has to be opened within 3 years from 2014. Since the time period had lapsed, the minister met with the Union HRD minister and requested for some time, and the bill had to be passed somehow. He said the guidelines said 2 to 3 colleges should make a cluster university in the Northeast region. The state government had negotiated for 7 colleges. 5 were approved out of the 7 proposed. DM College of Teacher Education was not approved since it is a specific subject college. Minister Radhesham urged the people not to misunderstand the matter, as the college can be aided when the university starts functioning. Meritorious students and sportspersons were felicitated at the event. The minister also said investigation into recruitment of Undersecretary and 37 employees of the council are going on after complaints were received and action will be taken against those found guilty.
DM college education yaudre sine education yauda basi education yauda banate thagal lobane problem sidi satragi akoi kaino yengaga manga ahum dei henbe yadre manga sure adoi manungda tongan wide range discipline school tongan wide law gumba adai biology gumba chemistry tongan to hai bane akoi gi teacher education na bisdi specific oiba kaino leitabnina subject am oidabnina discipline am oidabnina moina oja gi ko na to we haina adumai tawraga manga ahum dagi heloi dabane manga yabiran moy hapagi room do leitaba adu once akoi si oiraga si lauro akoi oira kanda akoi na hapsin biya ba akoi state university oigadom neba aduni leisa tai leiti.
Mahod Minister Thaunawjam Shyam Kumar has warned of stern action against those involved in misappropriation of funds of Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC meant for the welfare of the people. An inquiry committee has been set up with the Special Secretary Mahod as chairman to investigate into misuse of funds of 3 different wards of Imphal Municipal Corporation. Speaking at the press meet held at his official residence at Kangla Park today, the minister said the committee has been formed after the opposition MLAs brought up the issue on the second day of the recently concluded budget session of the Manipur Assembly. He had assured the opposition MLAs on the last day of the budget session that the issue of auctioning vehicles of the IMC will also be probed. Shyam Kumar said Mahod department does not take the matter lightly and a departmental inquiry into the case have been ordered. He asserted that Chief Minister Nongthombom Biren-led government will not spare any officials or staff involved in wrongdoings. He requested the people of the state to wait for 7 days for the truth to come out.
The Honorable City NB Lito Government Aramato Kudimus Makataro. Among the Quay, what way Hariba, Tamiba, one of the Chigizo, Pesaching to 12, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, Mamangi, Gomengi, Matamnia, Sahito, Sang Matamurina, Madu Kudak the Contract, Lobiat, Madu Kitan Matakutan Sang Madumai, Sweden, Manipur. Tungan electric print media through the Manipur Pazamiamda, especially Imphal Municipal Council ki kon ba jaga sing lai Pazamiamda and appeal to the Aramat of Kudimakta and Nobu governments na ai sari side ki Kakang Kaloi Aramale Magadi Madu Algit Honda substantial big in.
Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham said if a person works with sincerity and dedication, he will be successful in whatever he does. Speaking at the annual school day of Trinity Public School, Mongsangai, the minister urged the people not to establish schools to earn money but focused on producing good students. Karam Sham said teachers of private schools should be appreciated for the sacrifices they make for the sake of students without bothering about the meagre salary they receive.
Parikada Makiana Pamba, Adukatan Apamanake. Aku ni mahu ni quality se, kian se, mahu itu personal hendak nak bukan aku tu ni mahu itu tangai kerja. Aku nak approval school kerja itu kerja tu high target. Aku matin kau yang nak kunai sini, jadi lemzani ngai kau itu. Approval satra kutu pun nombor tu ni. Uji game dia ni, parikada marks tak tak lihat macam mana. Topper pun lihat macam mana. Bang relay.
A free computer training course under the Pradhan Mantri Gramin Digital Sakshata Abhiyan, that is PMGDISA, kicked off today at CAC Trong-Lawi, Awang. The PMGDISA is aimed at making one person in every family digitally literate as an integral component of the Prime Minister's vision of Digital India. The scheme will empower the citizens in rural areas by training them to operate computer or digital access devices like tablets, smartphones, etc., send and receive emails, browse internet, access government services, search for information, undertake digital payment, etc., and hence enable them to use information technology and related applications, especially digital payments, to actively participate in the process of nation building. People between the age of 14 to 60 years are eligible for the program. Around 200 people from Tronglao BGP, Quaktha GP, Torbung and Saiton GP areas enrolled on the first day of the program held under the aegis of District E-Governance Society. District Manager Dr. Prasanta Oinam and Consultant Elvis Koijam took part in the opening day program. Dr. Prasanta Oinam said the program aims at providing free computer training to about 130,000 people till March 31st, 2019. Manipur joins the world in remembering the Hiroshima Day today. In the morning of August 6, 1945, the world witnessed the devastating impact of nuclear weapons for the very first time when the US plant dropped the atomic bomb Little Boy on the Japanese city of Hiroshima. Around 140,000 people died as a consequence of the bombing, both in the immediate aftermath and because of the long-term effects of radiation, and another 74,000 were killed when another US plane bombed the city of Nagasaki on August 9, 1945. The day is being observed across the globe in the memory of those who lost their lives. Manipur University New Ho Alumni Association observed the 72nd Hiroshima Day at Manipur University Guest House. A minute's silence was observed as a mark of respect to the departed souls, and floral tributes were offered to them. Vice Chancellor Professor Adya Prasad Pandey attended the event. Laishangbam Premjit, elder brother of Thongnaujam Ongbi Bedamani, held Bedamani's husband responsible for her death. He appealed to the government to investigate into the murder. It may be mentioned that Bedamani was found dead under suspicious circumstances in Koktruk on the 4th of this month at Koktruk Chinglaikai. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Laishangbam Premjit denied allegation by her in-laws that she died after consuming poison. He alleged that she was subjected to regular domestic abuse by her husband. She was also beaten up by her husband on the day she died. Premjit said Bedamani died due to domestic violence. Premjit appealed to the relevant authority to arrest Bedamani's husband at the earliest and give befitting punishment. Bedamani, 34 years, wife of Hemanta from Koktruk under Lemchang police station, is survived by her husband, a son and 2 daughters. Her elder brother had earlier alleged that her husband was responsible for her death. The brother also said she died after her husband kicked her when she returned home after working in the field. He said her head hit the door. Meanwhile, JSC formed against the death of Sapam Ningol, Thongnaujam Ongbi Sumila, has appealed to authorities to arrest and punish the culprits at the earliest. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, executive member of the JSC, Toijam Lenin, said Sumila's husband family may be involved in her death. There were scars on her body which not rule out domestic violence. Sumila is also 8 months pregnant. Lenin said a pregnant woman cannot take her own life. It may be mentioned that Sumila was found dead under suspicious circumstances in Ulau Mayai Laikai on the 4th of this month. Sources said Sumila talked to her parents who lived in Wangkai Ayangpali in the past about the mental trauma in her laws, but her true since she did not have a child.
Who J poison consumed to get among the zoo, matter of Bayare, Aduki, instead, Madame Legre, Adu the Dimana, Canta, poison consumed to Draga, Hatat no conto with Sisu, Tazawiwa. The Mitama came up, who's a consumed to by force the Wagi, Saki, the incident talking about them that Naiba meeting, when the Taugas Hillaga, the war and Gani had a waiting, Adu the shooting area.
Chinganingai oriba asigumba misi sida laliba sikanano masi paliba sarkar sina mari lenawa ain gi oiba khoi thabak thorum sing lokhat piduna achumba mihatpa natraga masa matan society torbasu kari ground toribino haibagi langla langjin do akhoi tasengna lebak myam sinma thungna khanganjaninge akhoi khangjaninge loinena hairiba sigumba chap chaba langna langjin je khangdri phawa asiba masa si khoi mok tagi logjagiroi ma ke mathomam ta khoi pangthokiroi.
Information and Public Relations Minister Thongam Biswajit yesterday instructed officials of IPR department to send proposals regarding the requirements of the department, including a manpower and infrastructure, so that the government can look into it. The minister chaired the monthly review meeting of the department at the Secretariat Conference Hall. He said the department should initiate process to open DIO office in all districts. The minister also told the officials to consult authorities concerned about the do's and don'ts of social media and erect hoardings in all major towns to spread awareness. The Committee of Human Rights COHR Manipur Amuko Amawa Ameso Poirei Laimarol Apunba Maira Paibi Manipur and Mapuak today held a protest rally at Kwakaitel in support of the 3-day Solidarity and Fight Back conference organized by International League of People Struggle ILPS and International Women's Alliance Toronto, Canada held from August 5th to 7th at Toronto University. A team of Thawal Commando and 2 Assam Rifles arrested a KCP Noyon Kader from his house around 5 this morning. The Kader is identified as Khoirom Ratan, age 31, son of KH Jakur from Lorimbam Mayai Laikai. He joined the outfit in 2015 through one Bijoy from More and now working under self-styled Lance Corporal Palmel in the finance section. He has been handed over to Sekmai police station. Police arrested a woman self-styled second lieutenant of Pripak Pro Kader today at Sugnu Bazar parking during a search operation conducted ahead of the Independence Day. The Kader is identified as Yumlembam Ningol Ongbi Ranjana Devi, age 32, wife of W. Prasanta from Kwakaitel, Konjen Laikai. She joined the outfit through one Tamba in October 2000 and was trained for 60 days at Mahak Sajik Tampak. Acting on a tip-off, a team of Imphal West narcotic cells arrested a person with heroin number 4 and 200 WY tablets at Kaishamthong Moirang Ningthog Lerak at Tidim Road. The person is identified as P. Rojit, son of Pukrambam Navakishore from Kakching Khunau Thongam Mathak Laikai. The team led by OC of Imphal West narcotic cells K. Ranjit kept the strict vigil at Kisampat and arrested P. Rojit. A case had been registered against him. PDA's Demand Committee is considering legal action against a non-distribution of rice under NFSA at Naurem Chakpro in Wangoi constituency since the act was implemented in the state. Speaking to media persons, members of the committee said it is unfortunate of the local MLA to say that he will take legal action against the people when he had not paid any heed to their demands earlier. The members also stated that they had already informed the DC and other authority concerned to make rice available and that they are not afraid of anything. They also asked if the MLA is scared of those people who have been stealing the rice. They said, when the government has been investigating many issues, why cannot it investigate into the rice problem?
Local MLA da chachare adagidi official khoi tana ba yaba director deso kari kara loina mak tana ra matung moi na khoi gi support to bira kadra ngasi bo moi na khoi da matam je le laga akhoi ngasi phau ba khoi gi cheng maru ma phau pibi ba yaba gi khudong cha ba je moi na pibi raktre transport contractor na cha tho khre april tha da gi ngasi phau ba da tha 35 36 le ramani ngasi phau ba chi da adubu ye libat cheng ching jidi tha taret taruk simuk ta ngai ram gi ni adu akhoi adu jo khoina khang bang ngamdre habade khoi cheng chungmang phangdabani na
akhoi gi wangoi kendra gi naurem samro naurem chapro gi cheng phangdabi matang da akhoi na local MLA da satluba matam da akhoi gi cheng chakthong di naharona laukhre hare I aduna akhoi gi wangoi Prajagi Sakthungsi, Naharon, Lowi Natraga Log de have there, Numi Humni Natraga Marini, Papi Manung, the Sintopiro, Tupamatanda.
Kongpal Khongkham Laikai Women's Development Committee organized Din Dayal Vistarak Yojana Awareness Program at Kongpal AAA Community Hall as a part of the 100th birth anniversary of Pandit Din Dayal today. Speakers at the program spoke about the welfare schemes of BJP-led NDA government and the performance of the state government during the 100 days. Dardo Katam Now Long today felicitated students who secured good marks in class 10 and 12 examinations at the function held at Langthungching Baptist Church, Langol. A blessing prayer was also for the success of students of Dardo in Ukhrul district. Mementos were presented to the students. Fungyar MLA KLA Shio, Hetman and several church leaders attended the event. Women Action for Development WAD organized a one-day consultation program to improve the criminal justice delivery system in Manipur at Hotel Classic today. Secretary of WAD Sobita Mangsatabam said crimes against women and children continue unabated in Manipur. Police have also registered cases and investigations are on. However, there are culprits who are yet to be punished and victims are yet to get justice. She said the event was organized to discuss how to deliver justice and to find out the root cause of the problem. Senior advocate Khaidam Mani moderated the discussion.
Leriba Prajami Punkudi Magna Justice Delivery System se Yamna Soire Hibase Quim Yamloin Kangner, Dumasika Mina improve to Hongadagi Hivegi objectives Asida Judiciary Sitegi law enforcing role Hariba Mayam Sing as Equi Prazamayam Sing Sida Kangal Bagaloinana Praza Sing so quick Yam Sawo died lay justice delivered Yam speedy over justice Pirak Paduga victim singers justice Pangna Hona the Akumi Punkudimaki died lay Hibase experts sing degi khangmin bagaloinana akoina field da thabak si phajana haurakpa yanana bagi kan maram sida koin tawjamni wi
Milal observed Mayek Chatpanumit today in mark the day on which the government officially introduced the 27 letters of Meitei Mayek on August 6, 1979. At the event held at Milal's office, Milal's members offered floral tributes to former Chief Minister late Yang Maso Caesar, who played an important role in introducing the Meitei Mayek script. Advisor of Milal, Sadokpam Tomba said, had it not been for the late Chief Minister, the Meitei Mayek will not have been taught at college and university levels. He said 27 letters have been used till date since announcements by the late Chief Minister.
Language department se hang badagi di masi loan gi asumara laiba mong laktana lonyan khandore lonyan khandor kanda lexicon ko ba committee am ka koi form do yemo lexicon committee sina yang kupla leina kanda akoi like si matang semto ga ngasi akoi da yanjil number loan puin to loan mayam jing si semkala kanda akoi gi language department ama lai haina lobo ya jing yamna thak wang abani hojik si loan me gi damta mi pai ningai leite hojik Milan ki thakta yamna angak phangna mai pa ga lakre na ta culture da lakaduba mayam amadi akoi Milan paikhat pa mathau tai.
The first science exhibition comes Arts Competition 2017 for students of Rudra Academy Competition Thobal was held today on the school campus. The principal of the school distributed prizes to the winners of the competition.
Kunaya sida pan blocket na mahiroi sing tungi yuben or kadriba mahiroi kunai da piri ba chaitheng loina no magi surga charaga tanjari ba laira ba lomi simi ngami singi miam da piri ba chaitheng sing asi asuki mati phatre habasi tungi hogorli ba yumbiren or kadriba mahiroi sing loina kunaya sida lairiba miam punama khangminana ba pandam da chinjabani.
Socialist Students Union SSU organized a painting competition on the impact of bunt and blockade on students and people at Hata Kangribung today. The 14-day competition that kicked off on the 1st of this month is held in two categories. There are 110 students from class 3 to 10 are taking part in the competition. As part of its 38th Foundation Day celebrations, Yongan Voluntary Organization Wankai organized a free health camp at its office in Wankai today. Pediatricians, dentists and gynecologists treated many patients at the camp, which was organized with the help of Maipakpi Hospital North AOC. Free medicines were also distributed at the camp. YBO said the camp was organized to help the needy of the area. Maipakpi Hospital said the camp was one of many steps taken by the hospitals towards social responsibility and that they will conduct many more such camps across the state.
YBO Kuntai Panchuba Foundation Days Iruinana, Nasi Maipakpi Hospital, Kusamnaraga, Pediatric, Adaga, Dental, Amadi Gaini, Ohumasida, Ahoina, Sumba, Healthcare Mama Tokzavani, Tingjan Kaijang the Kunaima. Lehuna by the Muta, Akoy Wabiona Hariba, Health Camp Amusung Blood Donation Camasi, Sinjavani.
Dr. Tombana, Koram Tomana, Luching Duna, Akoy Sumba, Mayam, Mateng Pana, Pitama, Ujig Anaba, Quiki, Nupigo Bagani Kita, Pediatric, that's dental Kita, Mateng Pana with the Motasmana, Quiki, Meten Camp Sinjavani, and the Manta Nakoi Makatana, Quiki Medical Camp Chataraki, Lam Kuding Chatuna, Quiki, Lapangam, the Vasapangam, the Quiki Mapam Sing, the Mateng Panga, and Kanjavagas Hatu Lady.
Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Manipur Pradesh organized a discussion program on empowering entrepreneurs at Classic Grande today. Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh S. Premananda said there are more than 13 lakhs unemployed youth in the state and the government alone cannot provide jobs to all these youths. Stressing the importance of the role private sectors play, he urged the youth to become entrepreneurs. He also appealed to successful entrepreneurs, bankers, financial consultants, and policy makers to work hand in hand to help the upcoming entrepreneurs of the state. A pineapple festival will be held on the 14th of this month at Thayong Kom Khul in Lamlai. Thayong Kom Khul largely depends on pineapple cultivation for their livelihood. There are nearly 170 households in this village and 95% of the population depend on pineapple cultivation. Pineapples are cultivated on the hills twice a year, but villages are facing a lot of hardship due to lack of government help. The road which leads to Andro through Napepalli is in deplorable condition. Sarto Markai Kom, who is a pineapple farmer, said the villages have been growing pineapple since the time of the Second World War. He said a family earns about 50 to 60,000 rupees a year by growing pineapple. Sarto maintained that the pineapple yield can be increased if government pays due attention to the farmers.
97% di koi di home ta hingjabane ngasi phawda department ni khangde concern minister na khangde musi hajuru bona sen phangmasi amada leitri ai koi gi di MIDS na thadar ibe sen pham do farmer singda shuna yohan biu niong ima tungna thajda dargana na sala ungkar to biro on biro ai koi farm se ai gi farm sina sangamori sangamugi do bibiro hectare or hectare do bibiro.
Today is World Friendship Day. Friendship and Development Organization organized the 14th voluntary blood donation at Jenims Porompat under the theme Give Blood and Save Life on the day. Many volunteers donated blood to mark the day.
Hingba changda tangai phadaba I dudi ngasi saukolaba science na ngasi phau semba ngamdri maram aduna akoi miyobda yauriba I singa se koina pithokpada karso koida akaiba leito maram oibna hairi I sina kana gumu darka leba miyamda changagani migi punsi kanba maram oibna Friendship Association asina ngasi mafam asdi I pijabani aduga koina I piriba koi ida akoina ngasi khanjariba wakholon haibadi akoi friends circle chokthokpa amusung ngasi prithvi si peace and harmony de hingbagi pandam ase akoi I sina kana gumu miyobgi hakchang la sangra matungda mana hinga matungda akoi imanabagi friendship to mana accept torubani peace ki wakholon program have wakholon ngasigi akoina ESP.
And before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Governor says Manipur will soon have flying doctors. Aviation Ministry to provide rupees 25 crore to buy helicopter. Education Minister Radhesham says the ministry approved only 5 colleges for Dhanamanjari University Bill 2017. Minister Shyam Kumar warns that stern action will be taken against those involved in misuse of IMC funds. Free computer training under Pradhan Mantri Gramin Digital Sakshata Abhiyan kicks off at CSE Trong Laubi Awang. And Manipur joins the world in remembering the Hiroshima Day today.